So for this question, they start off by asking us the limit as x goes to 1 from the left. So if we're coming in from the left, we cover the right-hand side at x is equal to 1. So we're just seeing this portion of the graph. And we say as x goes to 1, our little f of x values are marching towards this point. So again, the arrows are going towards the yellow sheet of paper here. Our f of x values are going to this point, which is equal to a y value of 1. Remember that your limit is always equal to a y value. So we're after what is that y value. All right, so the limit for number 50 is equal to 1. Now let's look at that in comparison to the limit as x goes to 1 from the right-hand side. So if it's from the right-hand side, then we are going to cover the left. And when I cover the left at x is equal to 1, I would say, okay, as x goes to 1, my little function values are marching towards this open circle. And that open circle corresponds to 2. So we would say our limit from the right-hand side is equal to 2. Now, you'll notice that in question 52, they then ask you what is the two-sided limit. And you don't actually have to do any work at this point except for know one little fun fact, and that is here you have that the two-sided limits are not, or the two one-sided limits are not the same. So because these are not equal, that tells us that the two-sided limit is going to be it does not exist. Okay, now just because the two-sided limit doesn't exist at 1 doesn't mean that it can potentially not exist at 2 or 3 or something like that. So that is just at, as you go to x is equal to 1, you have a jump in the graph, and so that tells you that your two-sided limit does not exist.